I thought I'd make a video about this. I had a crazy idea. I don't think this has been done yet that I know of. I haven't seen it. I looked on YouTube. I can't find it. I haven't seen it in the forums. But what about putting a backup camera on a 2020 Road Glide? Does it have a use? Why not? It's fun to play around with. It's a new gadget. And sometimes you have to pull in head first and you have to back out in traffic. You might have a truck next to you or whatever. So maybe it could help. So let's find out if it can be done. Just got the Amazon package for the Rearview camera. Let's check it out. Let's check out the camera first. Now, I'll tell you the price afterwards, what this whole thing cost me. Let's open it up. Let's get another stupid decal. Okay, it's a car review camera that I got on Amazon. It's a backup camera. This one is 0x Club. This one is 0x Club. Let's see if it's any good. I'm not investing a lot in this. I just want to see if this works. I can always improve it if I want to. User manual, camera. Okay. Looks like the. I do this without instructions, of course. I don't do instructions. So you got a power cord and another cord, AV cord that goes directly to the head unit. Now the head unit is a Sony 7000. And it has a port for a backup camera. That's how I'm able to do this. Can't do this with the stock GTS that I know of. Okay. Camera comes with, looks like a bracket for the license plate and an extension cord. Extension cord. Come back to that in a minute. Seems like it's pretty well made. It's supposed to be waterproof, I think, too. Okay, and I got to figure out what these wires do. What do they do? So here we go. That's everything in the package. Again, it's 0x Club car review mirror. Let's see what these instructions entail. Oh yeah, they're definitely extensive. According to this, we'll figure it out. Okay. I don't do instructions. Let's see if we can get on a bike. Okay, that did not go as planned. Nowhere near as easy as I thought. I tried running the power directly to the battery, but it stays on at all times. It's not good. So I ended up running it up through the fairing into the remote wire coming from the head unit to my amp or my DSP, whichever it is. So anyway, it works. It turns on. It turns off when the ignition's off. Let me show you how I mounted it. I mean, it's in this mess here, which you can't even see. I just ran a remote wire. So let's go into the straight back. I'm gonna put all this together. What I did was took some 3M tape and stuck it right on that reflector that I hate. I was gonna remove it, but now it's a perfect spot to for the camera. Okay, let's put it back together. Let's put it all back together and test it out. See if it works. Let's see the end result. Ready? I like it. It's hard to see on this camera, but you get the lines and everything. Oh. That's it. Simple as that. Now this Road Glide has a rear view camera. First of its kind. Doubtful, but how many got it? It was fun. Fun little project. Let's see what's next.